Welcome everyone to HFN. Today is January the 7th, 2020. The location of where we trade different, and as well as we give you all the trusted source of news according to the price chart. Not here to shield you, not here to FOMO or hodl your particular perceptions about these cryptocurrencies, but rather give it to you the simplistic way, the simple way of understanding price charts as well as what's actually going on in the news. And today we are going to talk about Tron. Now, before I do, as always, I want to plug each and every one of you in our other social media platforms that we have going right there at Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and then at our own website at HueFinancial.com. So make sure you go ahead and check us out at those other locations, because we do place other important ideas that we may come across to those other social media platforms. So now, in all honesty, the last time we did our video in Tron was all the way back in November the 27th of 2019. So again, it's about that time for us to update each and every one of you about what we're noticing in this space in Tron. So now, if you guys haven't known, Justin Sun sent out a tweet to his followers on Twitter asking the question, what should he call the privacy coin that he is anticipating to issue on that Tron blockchain? The new privacy coin on Tron might be called Tron. This article came out from the cryptoupdates.com, written yesterday, asking the question, what should be the name of the privacy coin that Justin Sun is anticipating to list on that blockchain that he has created? This is what he wrote. Justin Sun, the founder of the cryptocurrency platform Tron, asked the question of his Twitter followers, privacy coins on Tron is on the way. What's the best name for it? And in all honesty, all the people who follow him have given their suggestions as to what should be the name of this cryptocurrency, and one, out of sarcasm, wanted to have the privacy coin be named Prawn. Now, prawn is used to refer to porn because the most suggested name due to combination of privacy and Tron, and obviously a tongue-in-cheek reference to adult videos. Now, he laughed at it. Justin Sun also laughed at it, and then he also plugged in tagging at Pornhub in the comments of that tweet. Someone else also came up with the idea of Justin Cognito, which is another name suggested for the coin, the privacy coin. Another one was Autonomous. In terms of the famous hacker group Anonymous, hence why so many people could not catch those individuals who are behind many of the attacks on corporations and institutions. After many attempts to try to ID who these individuals are, they still remain a mystery. Henceforth, they claim to stand for privacy and the digital rights of the people of the world. So that could be a good name for Tron, Autonomous. And then you got some other people came up with some ideas called Profitron or simply PTRX. Now, I wanted to show you the actual tweet that Justin Sun went ahead and tweeted to his followers all the way up here on the 6th of January 2020. Privacy coins on Tron is on the way. What's the best name for it? Somebody being sarcastic as well. The best suggestion is a scam coin. Clearly, the Tron Foundation is running out of money, hence making up new coins for funding. How about Tron Cipher? And then this is the one that Prawn, and this is the one that Justin Sun went ahead and replied on to that tweet. Somebody also stated, call it T-Cash. Somebody, I think TRZ would be good. Sounds good anyway. Somebody else is being sarcastic with Justin Sun with D-List. Somebody did an emoji or a GIF. Somebody else said scam coin. Just call it a scam. So we got some people out there that's just dissing Tron or the blockchain cryptocurrency called Tron. Copy Paste Coin, Tron Z, Monero, Whisper, STRX, Secure, Safe, Stealth. So you got some ideas. I mean, people literally have tweeted their ideas onto what they see, or what should they call this privacy coin. And I just wanted to make mention, could Justin Sun just be following the bandwagon? Because if you guys didn't notice, there have been articles and tweets from John McAfee as well as the CEO of Coinbase, how both of these individuals are in favor of privacy coins and how privacy coins will be one of the major adoptions as we go throughout this 2020 decade. Could Justin Sun be following the same path of these two individuals? It could be. Brian Armstrong, who's the CEO of Coinbase, as well as John McAfee, are both looking at privacy coins. Monero, Zcash are some of the privacy coins out in the market today. And it seems like Justin Sun is trying to get into that space now with his cryptocurrency, or at least the one that he's trying to issue in terms of privacy. Both of these individuals have given bullish remarks about privacy coins. And obviously one of the most or well-known privacy coins out there today is Monero. This is the tweet that John McAfee issued on the 5th of January, talking about how newer blockchains have privacy, smart contracts, distributed apps, and more. And then you have the CEO, Brian Armstrong of Coinbase, stating, and I quote, "I believe we'll eventually see a privacy coin or blockchain with built-in privacy features get mainstream adoption in the 2020. So Justin Sun looks to be following that same bandwagon. This was on the 6th of when he issued out the tweet, and the McAfee tweet came out on the 5th, 2020. I'm not sure when Brian Armstrong went ahead and issued his quote right here, but it seems as if Justin Sun is just following the footsteps of some other influential individuals in this cryptocurrency space. That's what it looks like to me. So will he actually go through and issue this privacy coin on Tron? Is yet to be seen. And that's why we're doing this video, to update each and every one of you on the price of Tron and if that issuance of a privacy token will be beneficial to the price. So now let's talk about the price of Tron right now. So here we are looking at Tron. It's probably one of the best things about our channel is that we are not going to hide any of our forecasts from each and every one of you, because we want you also to know that we are human and that the possibility of getting everything right 100% of the time is slim to none. And this is one situation of that occurring. We were looking for the market in Tron all the way back here on the 27th of November to see higher prices, and look at it. It didn't do it at all. We had a TP on that particular video at 0.017, and zooming in close, the market in Tron wasn't even close. So we missed it. We did not get that forecast right, and it happens. So seeing how the market in Tron did not go according as what we expected, we probably would have gotten out right here on this particular day, because this was definitely an indication that Tron is not looking strong at all right here on this particular day, the 4th of December. So we would have taken a loss on that trade or that forecast of about 11.96%. Okay, so let's go ahead and get rid of that. That one was not very good in forecast, but it happens. And what I want to show you is that Tron is doing nothing. I mean, the market in Tron is just consolidating. It's been consolidating for a very long time, probably since the ending half of November 2019. And now the question is, when are we going to see this breakout in the market in Tron, or are we ever going to see that occur in the space? Because seemingly right now we're not even getting that at all in the market in Tron. I'm going to extend this out further. I might want to bring it down a little bit lower. Let's start out on the weekly time frame in Tron, right? And you can tell that the market in Tron is liking this particular area for support. All right, so we went ahead and and change our support area in the market in Tron. And then we are going to extend it because the market just simply looks to bounce and trade right there around 0.0125. Okay, 0.0125 is the area of support for Tron. Now, granted, over the last couple of weeks, the market has been looking awfully well in terms of it holding that support area. I do like that because starting here from the week of the 18th of November to the 25th of November, the market in Tron has just been bouncing to and fro that particular location. That's very positive. On the monthly chart, again, the market is not giving us a big indication that we're seeing strength coming in the market. That also is being revealed on the monthly price chart. So I'm not all that bullish in the market in Tron. I don't see the anticipation from the market participants to push the value of Tron higher. I just don't see that yet on the monthly price chart. I'm seeing it somewhat on the weekly time frame, but it doesn't look like it's going to be a massive movement to the upside in Tron. Okay, daily time frame, again, this market is just holding consolidational trade. I don't see a lot really going on in this space, so I'm not going to put in a price forecast into the market in Tron because I just don't see anything worthy to indicate that we're going to move higher and or lower. But I will tell you that consolidational trade is what we're expecting, and 0.012 right there, 0.012 for support, and the resistance area is going to be at 0.016, and that's about it, at least for the next couple of days. Okay, now the weekly time frame, I am noticing some indications that this market in Tron is anticipated to see some higher prices, but it just doesn't look ready yet. So let's see if we were to put in a forecast into the market in Tron, and we already know that that 0.012 area is support, and the market was to go all the way up here towards 0.018. I'm sorry, let me see. Let me fix this up for y'all real quick. So we are going to place a movement to the upside in Tron, and we're going to play on a weekly time frame though, so you got to allow time to allow this market to play out to see those higher prices. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. Ultimate area of TP is going to be right here around 0.016. That's the ultimate area of resistance, so the market in Tron can definitely come and hit that, but for us, we'll hold a TP at 0.015. Okay, and that will give us about what, let's see, maybe about a 4% market move to the upside in price. So let's look forward to that. Okay, so this is it. Give us your idea, your comment about Tron and the privacy coin. Do you think it's going to go far? Do you think it's going to be a flop? Let us know about that privacy coin that Justin's son is trying to issue, and if it's going to impact the price, definitely would like to know that from you. So leave us a comment. Make sure you always maintain that profitability, and I'll see you all on the next one.